Hello everyone, in this video we will see Fedora, Debian and Ubuntu. Fedora, Debian and Ubuntu are three of the most popular Linux distributions, but each one is built with a different goal in mind, making them better for different types of users. Fedora is known for being modern and cutting edge. It always includes the latest Linux features, tools and technologies. It's backed by Red Hat, and it's a great choice for developers and advanced users who want access to the newest software and like staying up to date. The default desktop is GNOME, and the system is very clean and fast. Fedora also focuses on open source software and security, making it a strong choice for people who want performance and privacy. Debian is one of the oldest and most stable Linux distros. It's not focused on speed or new features. It focuses on being rock solid and reliable. That's why it's often used for servers and systems that need to run for a long time without breaking. It doesn't get updates quickly, but it's perfect for people who want something that just works. Debian also forms the base for many other Linux distros, including Ubuntu. Ubuntu is based on Debian but adds more user-friendly features. It's made for both beginners and professionals. Ubuntu has more polish, more hardware support and regular updates every 6 months. It comes with helpful tools and a large support community, which makes it great for anyone new to Linux. It also has a long-term TLS versions that are supported for 5 years, making it a good choice for work and general use. So overall, Fedora is best for users who want the newest features and are comfortable with a modern Linux system. Debian is best for users who want a super stable and dependable system. Ubuntu is best for users who want a balance between stability, ease of use, and regular updates. If you're new to Linux or want something easy and reliable, Ubuntu is usually the best choice. If you need a super stable system or are setting up a server, Debian is better. And if you like staying on the cutting edge with the latest tech, Fedora is way to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.